If you're a small business such as a yoga teacher, a studio owner, a massage parlor, a salon, and anything related to that, a barbershop even, why don't you become the best barbershop in the area? I don't see many barbershops in like especially East London or anything. Yes, they have value walk-ins are there, but if you become the star and if you really brand as you by a story that your barbershop, you do it in such a way, your creative videos are being shown on social media like Instagram, people see in the area because you say like you are a barbershop in East London, in Canary Wharf or somewhere Beckton. You can target people in that particular area to really see your the barber shop, the salon, the tattoo parlor, all those things you can really target with a nice story video. They start seeing different video. You can't just run one, you have to run several videos, video adverts that are so compelling. You tell a story, they want to see that, they get to their brain to a level that they want to come and check your place out. So this is the advantage on Instagram you can do. We help, of course, for businesses at ClickDo, whoever needs those creatives done to really target your clientele with a compelling video. And social media adverts are pretty much still not that as expensive, right? Trying to run a Google advertisement. And if you're a barbershop or even a salon, your best way is to be seen on social media, that your clients know your place, that they get the curiosity, they want to come to your place, and they want to actually give it a try. You're a barber, you have such a story, your place is fun, you have the music playing, you give a little bit of a massage, you have other services, your videos have been so much for the people. So even though they're not just like on the walk in and passing by your place, they see this so much that they would come. And then you can take things to further. You can have a website that people can book the service online. Just imagine, they can book a slot where you can charge a much more premium price than just charging a 20 bucks or 15 pounds or 25 pounds, or like for a small haircut you can have the chance for them to book on their on your website, that they can book a slot. So I would pay way more if I know if I can book at Saturday at 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock or 10 o'clock or whatever the time I want to book. So I pay a higher price that I know I have my booking. So you can actually have a slots as well. So for that, you can have a website, you can have a booking system, all those things we help at ClickDo for anybody who need custom websites. But more business should be thinking rather cutting hair for just 20 pounds for the people passing by. But if you can double it, you can charge up to 50 pounds. You can get some amazing people to, of course, to come who are willing to pay more, who want more services. This is the advantage you can really tap into by telling the stories on social media, taking things to Instagram, having a website, and running some ads. And if you want all those helps at Click, we help them. But I think anyone can actually do that, like especially to build a brand. As even a salon, you can tell stories on a daily basis and then run the creative ads on, which is because like running Instagram ads is pretty easy, anybody can learn it. And if you want help, of course, ClickDo, we do help for that for local businesses if you're based in London or anywhere in the UK. And this is something business owners should be really thinking about, just to upgrade their price. Like, if you can do that, you get to become a brand. When you're a brand, you charge more. That's the advantage, right? If you just like the place that people just come and just do that, and if you didn't really position yourself as a brand, it's a place that people want to come, you can't charge. Your prices are going to be pretty low. So by doing those things, you can really upgrade your price, have to work with amazing people as well, better people, retaining clients. You can have recurring programs. People can put like if you are a member of the barber shop, you get a haircut or extra massage during a barber shop if you're booking at least a one cut for thing. These are the creative things people can do rather just running the business. You're just cutting like 100 haircuts at 15 pounds to make 1,500. You can actually upgrade your prices to double or triple and work with exclusive people and do way less service and make more money. Those are the ways that you can do. And if you are one of those local business that I mentioned in this video, you can always reach out to us at ClickDo, book a meeting with myself. We come to business, we meet businesses, we run through a strategy session with you, what you can actually do to take business in the digital world where people are always scrolling and watching, especially on Instagram, how you can take on Instagram to your business to really get in front of that ideal customer that you want to work with, rather than working with customers who are not willing to pay you more? How can you actually position yourself that the real customers that who got the money, willing to appreciate your service, are willing to pay in advance, book it online, get a slot, all those kind of things. So have a think about as a business owner. These are the little things that you can do as a business owner in the digital economy to really double, triple, even way more increase your earning potential. And for that, if you need any help, we help business at ClickDo.